Hey everyone, it's Nick Cupp here from Burlington, Ontario, coming at you with some simple, smart advice. So over the last few weeks or so, I'm not sure if you guys have noticed, but the markets have dipped a bit and they've become a little bit more volatile. First and foremost, this is completely normal and considering and actually quite healthy considering the long bull run that we've had in the financial markets over the last few years. But there's nothing unusual going on here, okay? Now, if you're someone who's currently invested in the market or thinking about it or whatnot, and you're worried about this or you're stressing about it, I really hope you can get some value from what I'm about to talk about today. So I want to share an analogy with you guys. I want you to think of investing or the investing experience as if you're planning a trip. Okay, so let's just say 2 months ago you planned a trip to go to the Bahamas because you wanted to escape the cold weather here and sip a pina colada on a beach somewhere. Okay, today's the day your plane leaves, and we're getting all packed up and off we go on the plane. We're cruising at 30 or 40,000 feet, and then all of a sudden the seatbelt light comes on. Okay, immediately afterwards the pilot goes, folks. We're going through a rough patch of wind or something like that, and strap on and hold on. We're going to experience some turbulence. Okay, the pilot understands that it's going to be uncomfortable. Okay, now it's not much different than what's going on in the financial markets right now. Okay, we're going through some turbulence. In our industry, we call it volatility. Right? It's just how much everything's moving up or down. Right? So having said that, if we go back to our plane seat, what we probably won't do is we're not going to go to our neighbor, Bill, let's say, and we're going to be like, hey, Bill, this is kind of uncomfortable, this turbulence. Do you want to jump out of the plane with me? It's probably not the best idea to do, okay? What you probably would end up doing is you'd probably take out your iPad or your computer, put on a movie, plug your headphones in, read a book, do some work. I don't know. The point is, though, your instinct there is to tune out the noise. Okay? It's no different than the financial markets and what you should be doing there. Tune out the noise. Don't listen to the news every day and headlines and all that and freak yourself out even more. It's not doing any good. Okay? Remember why you got onto that plane in the first place. It's to, leave the cold weather and sip that pina colada on a warm beach somewhere. Okay, when it comes to financial planning or investing, it's very similar. Remember the destination. Okay, we have, like, for example, if you're saving for retirement, your investment horizon or something like that could be 40 or 50 years. So who cares what happens on a day-to-day basis, right? It's so minuscule in the grand scheme of things. All right. So remember your destination, okay? What else do I have to give you here? I guess at the end of the day, again, when it comes to volatility or turbulence, it's just something you got to deal with, when you're traveling in a plane at 6,000 miles an hour. All right. So moral of the story here is volatility it's part of investing. Okay, just like turbulence is part of air travel. All right. I hope you liked that. Hopefully it brought some value to you. I'm not sure. I hope it did. And I guess to leave you with a question, I'm curious, how do you guys deal with volatility? All right. I'd love to know in the comments below. Thanks so much.